The Adventure King's 250 watt folding solar blanket is so easy to set up and get the most out of the sun thanks to its built-in folding legs and the fact that it comes with everything you need to set it up and start charging. The first step is to unzip the front pocket and grab the solar controller, 4.4 meter extension lead and pair of alligator clips. These all have quick connect plugs so anyone can set these up. Leave the front pocket unzipped so you can fold out the first leg. Then unfold the blanket one section at a time, supporting each with the leg as you go. Then it's a matter of connecting all the wiring and the solar controller. So first, add the 4.4 meter extension lead and take it back to your battery. If you're using the optional 10 meter solar extension lead that's available separately, you'd plug it in here for extra reach. Once you've reached the battery, you need to hook up the solar controller. Look for the battery icon near the wiring and plug that end to your battery box. Or use the included alligator clips to extend it directly to battery terminals if you need. Now you can connect the lead from the solar blanket to the controller. Just double check to go to the wiring that's labeled with the solar icon. And that's it. Your 250 watt folding solar blanket is set up, facing the sun, connected and charging. It couldn't be any easier. And for more information on your solar controller's features and functions, make sure you check out our in-depth walkthrough video.